Hey there, this is Jyoti from VerbalHub, and today here I am with another success stories of spoken English. Her name is Ruchi. She successfully has completed her spoken English course, and now let's have some words with her. That how was her experience with the VerbalHub? Hello Ruchi, how are you?
Hello, I am fine, thank you.
So Ruchi, as you have successfully completed your spoken English course, I have some questions to ask. Are you ready?
Yes, of course.
So let's begin with your short introduction.
Hi everyone, this is Ruchi Agarwal. I got a degree of MA from psychology. Now I am a married woman.
After completing your course, how are you feeling now? Would you share some changes you have experienced during this journey?
Yes, of course, the journey was fantastic. I was confident while speaking after joining VerbalHub. The English became easy for me.
Fabulous. So Ruchi, the next question is, how was the experience with VerbalHub and the trainers? How they have helped you? How they guided you?
Yes, here I would say whenever the teacher they invite their students on the stage to speak something, at this moment many students they feel very shy and hesitated. So in this case the teacher was very helpful and supportive for their students. Yes, of course. Here I would like to say to upcoming students, you should go there and grab their opportunity because teachers and the mentors they provide lots of experience and facility in VerbalHub. Thank you.
Thank you so much Ruchi for your time, for your kind words. I wish you best of luck for your career. God bless you.